Due to rising inflation, global economic downturn, and political uncertainty, the US stock market has been declining since the end of last year, and the market crash accelerated in the recent weeks due to fear of a potential recession. Hi, my name is Louis, and welcome to GENF Money. Today, we'll be talking about the 3 things that you can do in order to take advantage of a potential recession. And before I forget, please like and subscribe, as I'll be posting weekly videos talking about money making and wealth building. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll be sharing the actions I am personally taking to manage my portfolio. Let's get started. The number 1 thing that you should do during a recessionary period is to secure your income streams, your income sources. During a recession, the economy is going to slow down and companies are going to have a harder time making money. And during this kind of environment, companies will normally need to reduce costs. And unfortunately, cutting jobs and reducing headcounts is one of the easiest ways for company to reduce their expenses and costs. And as a matter of fact, Meta, Uber, and Amazon recently have all announced a hiring slowdown, and we're not yet in a recession, not yet. So if you work for someone, it's a good idea to make sure that your skills and expertise are up to date, just so that you can stay competitive and make yourself indispensable. And even if you are a business owner or entrepreneur, secure your income stream. In this case, like securing your business, your main business, is going to be very important during the recessionary period. Again, because the economy is going to slow down, right? All the free money that the US government created during the past couple of years is going to be vacuumed out. So the consumer is going to have less money to spend. They're going to be more conservative, more selective when spending. Therefore, the whole environment, the whole economic environment, and the business environment is going to be very challenging and competitive. And business owners, entrepreneurs are going to need to ring-fence their business, right? And they need to be able to adapt into the new market condition. They need to be able to identify and understand the shift in the consumer behavior in order to stay ahead of the game, in order to stay competitive. The second thing you should do during a recessionary period is to maximize savings and raise capital. This is because during a recession, money is going to be harder to come by, whether you work for someone else, run your own business, or invest. Choosing cheaper alternatives, shop around for deals, delay or cancel non-essential spending is going to help you control your budget. Make regular deposits and make sure that you pay yourself first before spending is going to gradually help you increase your capital. Once you have enough reserve in the bank, it's going to provide the extra layer of protection from unexpected events such as job loss, stock market crash, or slowing down business. It will also put you in a great position for tip number 3. During a recession, inevitably there's going to be a lot of stress and uncertainty, and you should certainly release your stress by destroying the like button down below, right there. Punish it in all seriousness. The third thing that you should do during a recession is to look for great investment opportunities in the stock market and start nibbling. This is where you put your savings and capitals accumulated in step number 2 to work. But Louis, the stock market just keeps going down. Stock investing right now is like putting money on fire. I just want to sell everything. I will never invest in stock ever again. I'm so scared. You see, during the previous US recessions, such as the year 2000 dot-com bubble era or the 2008-2009 Great Recession, the Nasdaq dropped whopping 85% and 55% respectively from peak to trough. If you simply exited the stock market during this period, you would have missed the greatest opportunity in history to build wealth. If you simply invested through the bottom of these two periods, your investments will have ballooned 13 times and 10 times respectively to today, even with the most recent stock market decline. One way to approach the current market condition is to be very selective about investments. You want to scrutinize anything that you want to invest in. Make a watch list of growth stocks if you're into growth investing, but you want to choose the companies that have moat, has great balance sheet, a lot of cash, low debt, and they have a lot of future revenue growth potential. Right? You want to be very selective. And if you are an income investor, right, make a watch list of dividend aristocrats. Right, there's great companies in the healthcare and consumer staples sector. Right, just put them on a watch list. Or if you are more conservative, just look out for the major indices. Look out for the index funds. Just start nibbling like very, very slowly, dollar cost averaging. I mean, very slowly. You don't want to get all in at this stage. Indeed, the current market is kind of on downtrend and might be volatile for a period of time. But remember, no one can pick the bottom of the stock market, no matter what they say. History has proven that those who stay invested in good businesses and keeping a long-term view will always come back on top eventually. It's all about time in the market, not timing the market. I'm actually curious, how do you feel about the current market condition? And what are you doing with your stock portfolio? Please comment down below. If you're still watching, thank you so much for sticking around. And here is what I'm doing with my stock portfolio. For the past half year, the US stock market has been declining and many high multiple, high growth names have been selling off since early 2021. Of course, many of these high growth names are unprofitable and might have been overvalued for quite some time and deserve to be sold off. But many of the high quality growth names have also been thrown out with the bathwater. Those including companies with moat, great profitability, a lot of cash, great balance sheet. For the past 6 months, I've been raising capital by selling off low conviction stocks and reducing non-essential big purchases. Now with around 25% of my portfolio in cash, I'm starting to slowly, gradually increase my positions in quality companies that I understand and I believe in for the future. Have the market bottom yet? Probably not. Right, the market may still go down even more. But for me, the key really is to get into positions of good quality companies that I want to invest for the long term. I am not day trading or swing trading these positions. I am investing in these quality businesses for the future. These are the companies that I believe in will pay off in the long run. All right, I hope this video has been helpful. Please comment down below on how you are approaching the current market condition. And please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, stay invested, stay positive. Cheers.